Hello everyone and welcome to the September update video of Pixel Experience based on Android 10. I have a completely separate video in which I review the Pixel Experience Plus ROM. I will leave a link for it here and also in the descriptions. Do watch it if you haven't already. I have the update installed on my Poco F1 for a couple of days now. And in this video, I'm going to cover all the new features, new bugs and issues, bugs from previous update which have been fixed in this update. And as this is going to be the last build for Android 10 feature updates, I will talk about what's next and about Android 11 update. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to get more future videos. Now with that out of the way, let's get started. Okay. The Android security patch is updated to the latest September 2020. Improved face unlock. Improved is a strong word, but I'm getting mixed results with this one. Sometimes it's fast, sometimes it struggles, sometimes it refuses to open. Your mileage may vary. Tell me in the comment section how's your experience with face unlock. Added a pocket lock. As per the changelog, this new pocket lock is prevent accidental wake up toggle found under display settings. But that's not a new feature. We had this toggle on the August build as well. Here, as you can see in this clip, when I was on the August build and was still downloading the September build, I can see the prevent accidental wake up toggle. I wonder if this was a mistake. And as with every update, there are several under the hood fixes and improvements, and other kernel specific stuff. New bugs. Every new update from any software can contain new bugs. Picture adjustment and color profile options which were under display settings are missing in this update. Bugs from previous update which have been fixed in this update. Missing styles and wallpapers. A lot of you guys were saying that the styles and wallpapers section is missing. Well, it was indeed an issue. To be precise, the styles part, which allowed to change accent color, fonts and icon shapes would go missing. And it occurred when we updated the wallpapers app from Play Store. As soon as we updated, the styles part would go missing. The solution or workaround for it was to uninstall the update. Click uninstall. Don't worry, it won't uninstall the actual app as it is a system app, and it will just remove the latest update, and this would bring back the styles section. However, it was not practical to do it every time, especially if you had auto update enabled. The developer has acknowledged and fixed this issue in this September update. So now, when you install the September update, feel free to update the wallpapers app. Sadly, they probably removed that wallpaper. Rest in peace, Pikachu. You can always sideload it as an APK, but there are always security concerns when installing APKs from unknown sources. Therefore, those Pokemon are not worth the risk, and I wouldn't recommend installing any apps you find online. As I had mentioned in previous video, some people were facing touch issues and keyboard lag issue in the last month's update, that is August 2020 update. For me, the issue wasn't present 100% of the time, but would pop up randomly, and therefore I couldn't get to shoot it on camera. And when that issue appeared, it was frustrating experience to use the device. This bug wasn't addressed officially, nor the changelog for this month mentions anywhere that it is fixed. After updating to the September build, I no longer face this bug and the device is running buttery smooth with instant response. Footnote. However, I had wiped my device completely and did a fresh install. This was for the Android 11 video. I had installed an Android 11 Pixel GSI port, and while coming back, I formatted everything on the device so that there won't be any bugs due to the transition. A clean slate is always better. I went back to the July build as the thought of keyboard bug sent a chill down my spine. And when the September build came out, I installed incremental packages 1st August and then September immediately thereafter. And after updating, so far there are no bugs, no lags. If you are still facing the issue, then you should probably flash a different version of kernel. The thing is, apparently Xiaomi used different display panels for different batches of the Poco F1, and therefore for some people the kernel and drivers included with the current build may work just fine, but for others the drivers might not suit your device. I will leave a link in the description for an older driver. Flashing it might solve the issue for you. If that still doesn't work, then do a clean install just like I did. Android 11. Now that Android 11 is officially out for Google Pixel phones, everyone has only one question on their minds. When will we get the Android 11 update on the Pixel Experience? According to the team at Pixel Experience, we might get Android 11 very soon. If everything goes smooth, maybe within a month. If there are any hiccups, maybe more. But whenever it happens, don't jump and install the update as soon as it comes out. Major version updates like 10 to 11 can also have major bugs, like they had last time when we got the Android 10 update. If you want to find out what are the new features for Android 11, I had already made a video on it. I had used Pixel 4 GSI ported to Poco F1 to make that video. So the Pixel Experience Android 11 ROM will be very close to it. You can watch the video here and hold the excitement till a stable build comes out, which is also usable as a daily driver. What about Android 10 builds? Even though this September update will be the final update containing feature improvements for Android 10, there will still be 3 more months of builds containing monthly security patches. This should be enough of security updates till the stable 11 version comes out. And then we can make the jump to Android 11. So that's it folks for today's video. If you found it informative, give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to get more future videos. I make tech videos ranging from Android in general to custom ROMs, tips and tricks, iOS, Mac, apps, and I have many more videos in the pipeline. And a new video comes out every week. Do follow me on other platforms where I post even more frequently with stories as soon as they happen. I also talk about movies, comics, science fiction. I am Pushkar Gaikwad and see you folks in the next one. Stay safe.